Good morning, guys. Bunch of exciting updates for me to give to you guys. All right, so yesterday, if you guys are part of our membership, you guys are doing great. We ended up calling out a scalping trade for everybody. We are actually in the profit for that. Seriously, guys, it is only 75 bucks a month. I know I'm starting this video with sales, and I know some people don't like that. But seriously, guys, we're sitting at 440% more than the S&P 500. We've got a trade open right now. I've been looking for this. We've been patient for this. We got another trade open here, and I'm calling these out for you guys. And just to let you guys know, yesterday, we ended up doing a similar analysis of what I'm going to show you on Bitcoin. We showed 6 bearish signs in the market, and ADA dropped 8% right after we did this video. I want you guys to watch closely the indicators I'm using. I will show you how to get discounts on everything here today. 53% off this indicator, best indicator to call tops and bottoms. So I'm excited about this. And then we got guys over here. I got to show you this, guys, real quick before we get into this. Testimonials, we just got this in yesterday. This guy's like, by the way, I'm up $5,000 in the past 2 weeks using the trend exhaustion, the trend, and well money flow. We're going to show you guys those in today's video. So people are making money, guys. Oh, and on top of this, sorry, one more thing real quick. I wanted to give you guys transparency. We started this $50,000 account when Bitcoin was at 20,557. Take a look at this real quick. 20,557 places us right about here in the market. So at this level up here, we put in 50,000. So at the moment, we should be down about 7.69, maybe close to 8.09%, but we're not. We're actually up $3,055. How are we doing that? We're using the indicators, guys, to get in and out of this market and scalp and accumulate. All of this is going on in the membership, and you guys are going to love it. Membership and indicators, grab those today and you'll be good to go. All right. I know that was a long intro. Let's dive into just some pure, undeniable bullish signs in the market right now that I do believe could push Bitcoin into somewhat of a relief rally moving into the rest of this week. Number one, let's start here, guys. We have a descending or falling wedge pattern. Let me give you guys some proof of this. A falling wedge pattern, I'll show you this, guys, right here, falling wedge, by nature is a bullish sign. Look at this right down here. When the price breaks the upper trend line, the security is expected to reverse and trend higher. This is the first sign up here that we are probably going to look to get a little bit bullish if we break this descending resistance. So it's called a falling wedge. And this by nature, guys, is very bullish in the market, okay? Very rarely, honestly, guys, very rarely have I seen descending wedges or falling wedges actually break to the downside. And here's a second bullish thing. The bottom area where we're at right now, sitting at 18,641, correlates very, very well to structure support. We have one support over here. We've got 2 supports over here. We've got 3 supports here. So we've got a strong support level for price, and this is by nature a very strong place for us to head back up. So we got support level, let's call it that. And this by nature is a very, if I can spell here, very bullish sign in the market, okay? All right, let's go on to number 3 here. Number 3, we actually have price action moving down here overall. And we come down here and look at the well money flow, and the well money flow is actually moving up here. So we see that price over here is moving in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. You can see this right here, a low, a lower low, lower low. During this time frame right here, we actually see the well money flow making a low and a higher low. So money is overall larger transactions moving into this market to try to buy this dip. And we may actually be doing this in the membership today, and I'll call this out for you guys. We may be getting a little bit more money in here because of these bullish signs I'm seeing today. So honestly, we have the price versus well money flow, and this has divergence, and this is very bullish from the nature of that, okay? Number 4, we have the trend exhaustion very low down here. We are now officially in barely just ticking into the bottom red section, and a bottom red section move here, guys, usually, like I like to show you, look at the bottom red section before. We're going to come over here and look at this, and we're going to look at this. How has the market reacted to the structures? I'm talking the big structures here in crypto. How has it reacted to that? Well, if we take a look at this and we look up here, we can see that it usually looks to find the bottom and starts to see moves back up here. And if we look over here, we didn't get a huge move back up, but it did correlate to a somewhat of a move back up in Bitcoin, okay? So by the nature of this, guys, this is a bullish sign due to the oversold parameters of this indicator. So trend exhaustion, which the guy used, great job on that testimonial. This is very low, and this is oversold. Overbought would basically mean it's in the top red section. So this by nature is very bullish. Okay, you guys aren't going to see the 5th one unless you go to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to take everybody, go to daily, and then come down to 4-hour time frame. Hopefully this will keep our analysis up here. If it doesn't, give me 1 second. I'm going to copy it over real quick. All right, here we go. The 5th sign over here that I'm really seeing is this. And honestly, guys, I'm gonna call this all the 5th, but there are a lot of signs on the 4-hour time frame. So let me just go over them real quick. A strong buy signal. when you get a strong buy signal in this market, you need to be watching for market reversals back up. We coded this to be very, very strong, and it said, hey, at this candle, literally right here on this candle, I'll zoom in here a little bit closer, you guys can see this, where this little notch goes up here on the strong buy. On this candle here, it said, look for this to be a market reversal. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a strong buy, okay? So we've got a strong buy on the 4-hour time frame. And this by nature is very bullish in the market. We can see this on the daily time frames, the 4-hour, anything like that. But I'm going to go into more here. The green bars down here, guys, show you that the oscillators that all the retail traders are using are incredibly oversold. And this is where we're looking for the movement back up. We also see well money flow at a fairly low level, and trend exhaustion on the 4-hour and the daily has been pushing down into the bottom red section. Multiple time frame confirmation that this is probably going to see a move back up here pretty soon. So overall, guys, there are a lot of bullish signs in the market, but I want to end the analysis, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the discount here in 1 second. It's in the description, but I'll show you. Here's the last thing I just want to end this video with. What happens if we break this support here? If we do, guys, the next strongest support level can be found on the 1-week time frame, and it is undisputably, it is $14,000, and it correlates to this wick value right over here, and it correlates to structures. $14,000 is the next area we are going to move down to because it's the next strongest support if this is really broken to the downside and gets a lot of selling pressure. So be aware of that. We still have over 60% of our whole count in cash preparing for a potential drop still in the market, okay? All right, now that you guys see the accuracy of this, I want you guys to watch this. Like, let this be proof to see if the market goes back up. The trade we called yesterday for you guys is already in profit. So this is fun, guys. These metrics and indicators seriously work, guys. Okay, here's the deal. Just like this guy, he made $5,000 in 2 weeks. What is he using? He is using a couple of our products here. So the number one product that we have, guys, is the bundle pack. That's going to give you the price versus well money flow, and it's going to give you the trend exhaustion, okay? With this bundle pack, you get a total of 9 indicators, 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before, a pressure gauge, which we jokingly call the jackpot indicator because it can get you into crazy setups. All of those you guys are going to get with the bundle pack 82% off. Seriously, click that link. You're good to go. Here's the best part, though. Everyone who purchases the bundle pack, or if you've purchased this in the past, email us, and you guys are going to get a 53% off coupon code. Right after checkout, when you purchase this today, you will get a PDF called Surprise Gift. Open the Surprise Gift, and you'll get 53% off the top and bottom finder. If you buy this by itself, it is more expensive than getting the bundle pack version than getting the coupon code. So it is better, guys, get the 11 indicators we're giving to you instead of just the 2. It's a promo we got going on right now, guys. We are going to honor this for people who purchase the bundle pack, and it straight up is the most insane deal you guys can get. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Get the bundle pack, get the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow in that, set it up on your charts, set up the top and bottom finder and market reversals as I show you on these videos, guys. Follow the analysis and do this every day, and I promise you guys are going to see an increase in your trading. Watch this down here on the 4-hour time frame. I truly believe this strong buy is going to put some buying power into the market, as it already has, and watch for the next sell signal up here for the next move back down in Bitcoin and the market. This is how you guys can start trading. The accuracy of this is insanely, ridiculously accurate, guys. The exact bottom candle, exact bottom candle, exact bottom candle, exact top candle before we saw moves back down. And now we're looking at this calling the bottom move here, and we're looking for the move back up. This is awesome, guys. When you have this on your side, this is what we, as traders, we call an edge in the market. And we're proving this to you guys because our accounts are up. Even though we're down from where we started for price, our account is still about $3,000, and we have live trades open. So snag a membership. Once you guys snag a membership, get the indicators, and I'll see you guys in the Telegram channel where we're calling everything out for you guys. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Everything you need is in the description. Use the coupon code at checkout, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.